Hi friends, I just received my new HD capture card. It's a very practical card because it allows you to mix video and audio and pass it through directly to a streaming service like OBS or Twitch or whatever. So we are going to test it. We do a lot of video production streaming in our different social network projects, and we needed something like this. Okay, this is the unboxing, this is the card, this is the USB cable to connect it to the computer, and as you can see, you can plug in any mic for audio in and out, and HDMI ports for video. So this is a card we want tested. Okay friends, here we are with my friend Sebastian.
Hi.
We are going to show you how we can use this video capture card. As you can see, we have our OBS software here in the computer, and we are receiving the camera image, the game image, hello, night, from our PlayStation. So we could stream or record this. We'll get audio, video, and the actual game image. So Sebastian, let's record this one, okay?
Now it's recording.
Perfect. It's recording, and we could be streaming to Twitch or whichever platform we would like, or we can record this to stream it later or whatever. What I want you to know is that this card allows you to mix these inputs and have one consolidated video image from all of them. So this is great. It's very small, practical, and we could even put extra microphones here, but we are not using them right now. So great. Thank you, Sebastian.
Now it's recording.
Perfect. It's recording, and we could be streaming to Twitch or whichever platform we would like, or we can record these to stream it later